What's going on, guys? We are on our way to CDT Performance. He has been kind enough to let me use his dyno, and we are gonna get some baseline numbers on the stock 2012 Charger RT before we start doing any mods to it. All right, guys, let's head that way. What's going on, guys? So as you can see, it's pretty shitty weather out here at CDT Performance right there. Got the big girl strapped up and ready to go. Just gonna do some baseline pulls and see what she'll make. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Lots and lots of stuff to come for this car now that we have some baseline numbers. Not only do we have baseline numbers on the dyno, but we also have a time to beat at the quarter mile. So lots and lots of stuff to come for this project. I hope you stay tuned. I hope if you haven't subscribed, you go hit that subscribe button. You like this video, you share this video, and most importantly, I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.